Hello，呢條片咧係要講下2024 Part A，咁我哋講咗 Questions 1 to 6先啦。咁次次做 reading 記住咧要去睇下嗰個question answer book 最尾咧有冇嗰啲即係講緊邊個人又發表咗啲咩 comments 嘅 question，咦真係有喎。咁不過呢個咧你見到咧係 text 2嘅。咁而今次呢個 part A 咧係有分 text one、text two，所以咧咁唔係呢個啦，我哋翻轉頭睇下 text two 喺呢度開始。咁 text one 就冇呢一類型嘅題目，咁我哋可以專注做咗 text one 先。咁 text one 我哋睇咗嗰個 title 咧就係 The Government Defense 即係防衛啊、防禦啊 axing。咁 axe 呢個字咧本身就係斧頭啦，係咪？咁原來佢可以做動詞喎，我都而家先知啊！佢斬咗嗰啲 century-old banyans on safety grounds，咁佢就政府就防禦佢呢一個嘅做法啦，可以話係，即係佢斬咗呢啲 old banyans on safety grounds，佢就sorry on safety grounds 嘅意思就即係基於on 乜乜 grounds 即係基於咩理由啊？基於一個 safety 嘅理由。明唔明啊？OK，即係按乜乜交，所以基於乜乜理由咁樣。好，咁我哋咧就嚟睇下嗰啲 question 先啦。咁我睇下我要睇幾多條先。Based on information in paragraph one 嘅，就叫你去到 complete 呢個 sentence。咁呢個 sentence 咧就係唔知乜嘢 banyan trees，咁已經有個 noun 喺度 were removed，咁我就睇得出呢個 subject verb 啦。唔知乜嘢 banyan trees 係被移除嘅，被移除。While several others，咁呢個 others 都好應該講翻啲 trees 啊，係咪？就點點點 as a result of heavy rain，因為 heavy rainfall，咁就點點點啦，咁咧都係個動詞啦。而你驟眼睇落去呢啲全部動詞係咪啲 choice？然後下一條咧就係 paragraphs 1 and 2咧，就係 why was the decision considered controversial。controversial 嘅意思咧就係即係具爭議性㗎啦，即係引來咗一啲嘅disagreement 啦，引來咗一啲 debate 啊，甚至係一啲 anger。咁就係點解呢個 decision 係具爭議性嘅咧？咁跟住有一條話已經突然間跳到去 paragraph 5，咁可能我哋就停一停，過翻嚟揾咗第二條嘅答案先啦。第一條咧就 four trees collapse，嘅意思咧就係有4棵樹 collapsed 咗落嚟，collapsed 咧就係即係冧落嚟啦，係冧落嚟崩塌，好似應該咁寫。In Hong Kong on Monday morning following a night of heavy rain，有好大雨，所以就崩塌咗落嚟，冧晒落嚟。And this comes after government's controversial decision。咦 ？Question 2個 controversial decision 出咗嚟喎。呢個咩 decision 嚟㗎？係要 cut down the 4th century-old Chinese banyans。斬咗呢4棵樹嘅呢個決定咧係好具爭議性嘅。After several similar trees fell from stone walls during recent storms，即係有其他幾棵樹，相類似嘅樹咧，喺嗰啲 storm 上面冧檔啦。之後咁政府就決定要斬咗嗰4棵 century old 嘅 Chinese banyans 啦。OK，咁 question one 係 paragraph one 嘅啫，咁我就去睇下。係咪 eight banyans 啊？唔係真係以為4加4等於8係嘛？唔係嘅啦，係4棵樹咧喺嗰個 heavy rain 冧咗啦，然後咧就係、又有另外4棵樹咧係俾政府斬咗嘅，得唔得先？所以千祈唔好以為係8啊，no。咁100棵樹 都唔係啦，係4棵樹嘅啫，記住4棵樹。4-year-old 嘅意思咧，你見佢咁樣連埋晒一齊咧，嘅意思係即係成個係一個 adjective 一個字嚟嘅啫，點樣全部 hyphenated 嘅，所以咧佢係個意思係等於4歲，咁又唔係啦，冇話佢係4歲啦，佢直情話佢係 century old 添啦，century 一個 century 100年啊嘛，所以即係講緊有4棵，嗱呢度又係一個 adjective 嚟㗎，4棵有100歲嘅 Chinese banyan 即係俾人斬咗嚟，所以最尾有4棵 100-year-old 一個 adjective 嚟嘅啫，咁答案咧？B 啊，好，跟住咧其他嗰幾棵咧，即係因為大雨而做咗啲咩啊？佢哋發生咩事啊？Loosened，loose 係即係鬆咗啦，鬆咗落嚟，因為呢個咁有冇可能咧？好一好先。fell down 就係嗰個嘅波嘅過去式啊嘛，係咪？咁所以冧落嚟啦，咁梗係呢個好啲啦。我再睇埋下面，were crushed 嘅意思就即係可以話壓碎晒㗎啦。咁嗰幾棵樹應該唔係俾人壓碎咗嘅，were cut down。都唔係喎，因為前面就已經講咗 were removed，就係嗰啲俾人斬咗嚟，咁所以呢度就唔使再講啦。因為 why 我一定係講即係 others 係其他嘅樹啊嘛。前面都已經講咗有啲俾人斬咗，呢度唔會再講嘅。咁所以 B 咧就係最好嘅答案啦。跟住之後就係我哋睇埋 paragraph 2先可以答到 question 2。The report of the fallen trees comes days after expressed anger over highways department's controversial felling of 4-century-old banyan trees in Dying Put。咁又係 controversial 喎。咁 felling 呢個字咩咧？其實我都冇知，因為明明 fell 已經係 fall 嘅過去式啦。不過唔影響我嘅 comprehension 嘅，我可以繼續睇落去就係、總之有4棵呢啲樹，即係講翻前面呢個段落，即係 paragraph 1講嗰段落啦。原來咧呢個 highways department 真係決定斬咗棵樹咧，就有啲 experts 咧好嬲，都係講翻呢個 decision 就好嬲嘅。咁但係我哋仲冇講到點解係 why was the decision controversial 啊嘛？Without consulting a panel advising the government on tree management，佢哋係冇 consult 到，冇諮詢到一個 panel，一個 panel 係成個committee 去到我呢個 panel 咧係俾政府關於 tree management 意見嘅一個 panel，一個 committee 啦，你可以話係。咁而家條問題就係點解佢咁 controversial 係咪？唔係問緊你點解啲人咁唔係即係點解要斬樹啊？唔係喎，唔係喎，係講點解咁 controversial，即係點解啲人咁嬲啊？咁你就見到原來呢啲 experts 就係嬲佢做咩事啊？做乜你哋唔問過我意見先啊？咁就斬咗啲樹啊咁樣。所以咧個答案係呢度啦，係咪？即係呢一 part 啦。但係咁我就咁，如果就咁寫 without consulting a panel advising the government 乜乜乜咧就唔完整啦，因為係講緊啲個政府冇去到 consult 嘛，係咪？OK，所以咁你可能可以答 the government 冇 consult，did not consult。咁不過你見到啦，我會轉咗嗰個，即係由 without consulting，你就會變成 did not consult a panel。a panel。如果你唔想好似我咁樣advising，咁就唔係 advising 嘅 government 咯，advising one on tree management。如果你唔想好似我咁樣即係轉咗個字啊，咁你或者亦都可以喺即係照抄呢一 part 啦，或者綠色 highlight 咗嘅呢一 part，咁可能前面就加翻一個完整句子，因為 without consulting a panel advising 呢個咧只係一個 prepositional phrase，即係要有個完整句子，即係譬如話你可以話即係邊個冇權收到啊，咪就係呢個，即係你可以話對正，即係 government 啦，或者 the highways，即係話呢個另外一個答案，即係 the highways department個 decision 係咩啊？可能 made the decision 啦，即係俾翻個 subject verb 佢 made the decision，或者直情講話你 cut down the trees 咁樣都得嘅。而家乜咁照抄到尾啊，咁你就唔使轉啦。不過你自己前面就要加翻係佢哋有呢個 decision made the decision。咁你睇下邊一樣嘢易啲啦。咁我都知呢一條真係好考你 grammar 嗰度，唔係淨係直接咁抄落去。好，跟住下一條 question three 已經去到 paragraph five 喎，咁所以咧，我哋都可以睇下即係 paragraph five 已經劃咗幾段，咁冇可能中間呢幾段係唔睇嘅，唔會嘅，唔好發夢啊！咁所以咧，我會一次過睇，因為下面你睇下仲有 according to text 個立到啦，according to text one 呢幾樣啱啱即係睇晒成個 text one 啦，咁所以我會一次過睇三四五六一次過睇。咁 paragraph five 咧就係 how did the war become a problem？點解個 war 會變嘅？即係個 war 變咗個 problem？點解啊？咁 who or what does them refer to？咁個 them 係 line 17我要圈起佢先，line 17呢度。然後 according to text one 咧，呢啲係啱定唔啱嘅咧？睇下有兩個喎，俾埋嗰個嘅 exact number，你哋真係要睇下係咪真係兩個，三個都已經唔啱㗎啦。就 had 兩個 government departments 係 had the same view towards the tree felling decision，又係呢個 felling 呢個字，唔知講乜，但係我知道個 decision 即係都係講翻 question two 個 decision 啦，即係應該都係斬樹嘅嗰個 decision 啦。And the trees in Saying Point，即係頭先講嗰啲 were taken down，即係 were cut down 啦。after 嗱 before after 呢啲字唔該都要小心。Experts were upset，佢哋唔開心之後先至斬嘅。呢個我已經可以答啦。係咪佢哋唔開心之後先斬啊？啊，咁梗係唔係啦。頭先我哋已經睇咗係嗰啲係嗱，你睇下呢度咧係講緊。揾第二隻八先，真係對唔住，真係寫到好亂。嗱，呢度都有個 after 係咪？After experts expressed anger over the highways department's controversial，咁你就哇覺得咦有 after 有 express 有 anger，咪好似呢邊咯 express upset 咪即係咁有啲同學咧，佢哋就真係填咗嗰個 true 落去喎，但係其實咧你睇漏咗呢個 over，佢哋點解咁嬲啊？佢哋係嬲，依家個 decision 喺呢度係嗰個 highways department 嘅 controversial selling 喺呢度啊，所以係呢個先噶嘛，呢個先至後，唔係佢斬咗啲樹先，咁佢哋先嬲係咪？咁所以咧，咁但係呢度咧就變成係我啲 experts 嬲先。跟住嗰啲樹先斬，咁呢個咪唔啱咯，小心，真係好陰人。好，跟住咧就好，咁我哋又繼續睇埋呢個 question 先。No one was hurt，有冇人受傷啊？咁我哋一陣睇下。然後 what is the text type of 呢個 text one 嘅？咁一陣間又睇下啦。好啦，咁我哋就唯有繼續睇落去啦，睇下一路睇一路揾到嗰啲答案。The government cited unforeseen circumstances 前所未有嘅狀況啦 and considerations of public safety 係因為要關注到呢個公眾嘅健康啊。After a giant banyan tree growing out of a masonry wall in Saying Point collapsed，一個好巨大嘅 banyan tree 係喺呢個一棟 masonry wall 之後咧就即係冧咗啦，咁佢哋就話啊，呢個真係一個前所未有嘅狀況，同埋即係關注到公眾嘅健康唔係健康，sorry 安全喎。咁呢個 neighboring tree 就因為呢樣嘢咧，隔離嗰棵樹咧都俾人斬咗啦，immediately。and 然後咧 as the 有啲 cracks 即係裂縫 were found in the wall behind it。咁然後咧，去到呢個 the head of department's burial tree management office 咧就話啦，即係另外一個 department，我哋見唔見到啊？就話啦，呢個 tree 線化驗判咧係 rooted，即係植根咗喺邊咧？喺一個 old stone masonry walls，on a slope of almost 80 degrees，即係哇斜到差唔多80度啊！佢哋係有一棵咁樣嘅樹咧係植根咗喺嗰度喎。然後跟住即係喺呢個崩塌住之後咧，仲係講緊同一件事啦，仲係講緊西營盤呢件事啊。咁呢個 highways department contractor 咧，檢驗咗嗰啲剩翻低落嚟嘅樹咧，然後咧就進行咗一啲好重要嘅 trimming work，即係 trimming，即係嗰啲修剪嘅工作啦。但係去到上個星期嘅中段咧，有啲裂縫咧又係揾到嘅，即係被揾到啦，被發現啦，were found 係 passive voice in the wall behind the trees。然後咧係 were seen to have worsened，咦，睇嚟係有惡化嘅跡象喎。咁 paragraph five 咧就係問點解啲 wall 係一個 problem 啊？咁首先你可能係真係要理解咗 cracks 係裂縫咁解啦。咁梗係因為嗰啲裂縫喺個，哇！你諗下喺埲牆度有裂縫，咁都幾大件事啦，係咪？咁但係咧就嗱，即係喺我做嘅過程啦，found in the wall behind the trees。我梗係要寫呢一樣嘢，不過我係諗，咦咁點解佢做 paragraph five？其實佢好似上面都有講喎，即係講咗啲類似嘅，即係喺第三段都已經講咗。咁於是咧，我就寫 grade 啦，我就會抄埋後面啦，and seem to have worsened，即係已經有惡化跡象咁。因為呢啲全部都真係講緊佢。都係一個 problem 嚟噶嘛，problem 即係揾啲 negative 嘅字，我都有寫啲 negative 嘅字咯，咁我點都唔會錯啦，係咪？好啦咁好啦，個 them 係咩？我哋繼續講埋 paragraph six。Since the trees were growing on this wall，即係啲樹生咗呢埲牆度咯，我哋就唔可以 evaluate 到，即係評估到呢啲樹啦，同埋樹同埋牆係唔可以分開啦，分開去評估啦，呢個 head of the tree management office，所以我哋咧係同意呢個 department 嘅，即係話呢個 tree management office 就同意咗呢個 department，即係 highways department 啦，嗰啲樹咧係要被移除嘅，見到 back to 而家 PP 啊，被移除，即時被移除，they could have collapsed，即係可能要崩塌㗎，同埋 pull the walls with them，然後將埲牆都同佢哋一齊拉冧落嚟啊咁樣。咁即係嗱，你見到首先 we agree，即係真係有兩個 government department 係 agree 嘅喎，係咪？即係 have the same view，咁所以呢個係 true 咯。然後個 them 係咩咧？呢個 them 會連埋埲牆一齊同佢哋拉冧落嚟，咁個 them 就即係 they 啦，即係嗰啲會冧落嚟嘅嘢啦。咁啲會冧落嚟嘅嘢就係嗰啲 tree 咯，係咪？咁就即係嗰啲 trees 或者 the banyan tree 咯，咩 trees 我都要諗清楚，我寫埋 the banyan trees 咯。好，跟住 no one was hurt，唔知有冇人受傷喎，真係冇講喎，成篇文章都冇講，咁我可以寫翻粒嘅佢。And what's the text type 啊？咁呢篇文章咧，你見佢每一段都勁短嘅，其實都似 news report 喎，咁不過我都睇埋下面嗰啲啦。Health and safety advice 係咪俾緊健康同埋安全？哇，佢都講健康，嘅安全嘅建議啊，咁冇啊，冇叫你做運動啊、食嘢嗰啲唔係啊，係嘛？Profile of banyan tree 健康方，咁如果佢一個 profile 嘅話，咁即係佢會講下啲樹木點生長啊，佢即係介紹 banyan trees 嘅係咪？咁唔係啦，佢冇即係介紹佢點生長啊，咩環境啊，咩溫度啊咁樣，唔係啦。Leaflet promoting Hong Kong's heritage 係咪喺度宣傳緊香港嘅遺產啊？邊度有講 banyan trees 嘅遺產就冇啦，所以一定係 A 啊。好，text one 講到呢度。 有短途啊？